Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Sketchup tutorials how to make Xref. To make Xref, in here we use the plugins. You can go to sketchup.com and then you can download for Xref Manager plugin. After it, you can install into your Sketchup software. For example, to use the Xref, you can go to extension and then click on Xref tools. In here you can use Xref by components or by using the WG or the Xref file. For example, I will use Xref component. You can click and search for your models. As example, I will use this model. Then you can click open. Okay, waiting to insert into SketchUp for the models, and you can place anywhere in your drawing area. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorials how to make Xref. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.